Hello friends, it's me Asir Intasir Shaiket. Today I'm going to show you a profitable Forex strategy. This is best strategies for day trader. If you are not a profitable trader, do not worry, I am always ready to help you. If you follow my advice properly, you will become a profitable trader. For these strategies, minimum balance needs $500 for 0.01 lot size, and take profit you have to set 50 pips and stop loss 30 pips. Minimum you have to use H1 time frame, I mean 1 hour time frame. Do not close any order manually. Must use take profit and stop loss. Order must need to close by take profit and stop loss. You have to open trade only in perfect trading signal. I mean, when you get proper signal, only then you have to trade. Otherwise, you cannot trade. Euro USD currency pair will be good for these strategies. So I will show everything with the Euro USD. So if you do not understand anything, you can ask question by the comment. I will reply your all the comments. So there I will try to explain everything properly. Then if you do not understand, then you can clear these things. And also if you don't understand, if I need to give you any video link in the comment, then I will provide you video link. In these strategies, I am using trend finder indicator. This is the custom indicator. You can download these things for free from our website. And also I use moving average 200 line. Okay, so if you don't know why I am using moving average 200 line, then you have to watch this video. Go to my YouTube channel and watch how to find market trend in Forex by moving average. Okay, also if you don't know how to get a trend finder indicator, then this is very easy. Go to our website, then go there, and there is one thing, free robot and indicator. Click here and then you will get this page. Go a little bit down, there is the thing, trend finder indicator. If you click here, you will receive an email. There you will get a file, and then you have to download that file. After download that file, you will receive this and extract all, and then you will get trend finder indicator. Open these things. There you will get the guideline and the indicator. Copy this indicator, open your MT4, click here, click meta editor. There is one thing you have to remember. There you can see indicators. Okay, click the right button, open folder, paste the indicator here. Okay, and then close this folder, close meta editor, and there you have to go to navigator, and then you can see there is an option indicators, and click the right button, give refresh. Okay, so then you can see there is the one custom indicator. It's named trend finder indicator. Okay, double click here, you can see this is our indicator. So this is for free, and go to input and click OK, and when you click OK, you will get this. So there is two things. One is the trend finder indicator, and another one is the moving average 200. The strategies is very simple. There in this trend finder indicator, there you can see there is one red arrow and sometime is green arrow come. Okay, there you can see, if you see that the moving average 200 line, this moving average 200 simple line is the downside of the candle, and if you receive a green arrow, it means the trend finder indicator giving you a buy signal. And also you can see the yellow line is downside of the candle. It means there you get a buy signal, and also trend finder indicator giving you a buy signal. So only there you can open a buy trade, because the two indicator giving you the same signal. So I'm going to show you a few more example. Okay, there you can see we get a red arrow, it means this one giving you the sell signal. And also we can see the moving average 200 line, it's also upside of the candle. Okay, so there we also give sell signal from the moving average, and also we get sell signal from the trend finder. So at that position we will open a sell order. Okay, and when you open a sell order, you have to set the take profit and stop loss, and take profit 50 pips and stop loss 30 pips. Okay, so after few time the trend finder indicator giving you a red arrow, it means it's giving you a sell signal. But we saw that in the moving average line, yellow line is downside of the candle, it means this is giving you the buy signal, but there we get a sell signal, so we cannot open any trade. Okay, so after few time you can see there we get a green signal, and there this one is also downside of the candle, so it means now we can open a buy trade, and at the same position we can open a buy order. And when you open a buy order, you have to set 50 piece take profit and 30 piece stop loss, and do not close this order manually. And you have to use 1 hour time frame, and Euro USD currency pair is best with these strategies, and do not use smaller time frame. Minimum you have to use 1 hour time frame, and if you use more, then it will be good. So at the end I just going to explain few important things. So when you see that the moving average 200 line is downside of the candle, it means there it's giving you the buy signal. But in trend finder indicator, there it's giving us a sell signal. You can see the red arrow. So if you see that the both are doing giving different signal, at that time you cannot trade, you have to stop the trade. Okay, so you only trade when the both are same. There you can see the green line trend finder indicator giving us the buy signal. So there you can see also in there the moving average 200 line is upside of the candle. It means the moving average 200 line giving us the sell signal, but trend finder indicator giving us the buy signal. Okay, so there we cannot trade because the both are giving us different signal. But after a few time you can see trend finder indicator giving us the sell signal, and also the moving average 200 line give us the same signal, sell. So at that time we can trade. So after open a trade, you have to set 30 pips stop loss and 50 pips take profit. Okay, so do not close any order manually by yourself. You have to wait until the price hit the stop loss or take profit, then it will close automatically. Okay, so at a time you have to open just only one trade. Okay, so say for example at that position you open a sell order, so but after a few time we get a buy signal, for example there. So if this order is not closed, do not open buy order. If you have open sell order, then you have to wait. First you need to close the sell order automatically by hitting the take profit or stop loss, then you will open buy order. And after open buy order, then you have to wait when your buy order hit the take profit and stop loss, then you have to open the sell order. Okay, so at a time do not open two trade. Every time you have to run only one trade. A minimum you have to use $500 account balance. For $500 account balance, if you use a 0.01 lot size, then it will be very safe for you, and you can make good profit by these things. So don't so you must need to follow proper money management and practice these things. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about Forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.